Hi all, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can import a bulk subscriber in list. So just quickly navigate Email Studio. In last video, we already created a list, so we just importing the value in the same list. So just open that list, and I have created one sample data. In subscriber key, you can just add your email. It must be a unique first name, last name, and date of birth in first column, and second you can just quickly insert your required data, whatever data you want to insert. So just click on import. They will ask you to upload your data file. Either you can select from FTP server or from your local. You just click on browse. Once you select, so you have a couple of options. If you want to be add new or update the existing one, if you want to be add new but do not want to update the existing one, you want to update but do not want to add a new one, so you can adjust accordingly. We have a data format. Currently, we are using the CSV. Just click on next. So you can see if your header is automatically mapped, so that attribute will be mapped automatically. If it's thrown an error, so just set manually. But for now, we already map with header, so we just click on next. Here you can see after import, if you want to receive an email, so you can just check that checkbox and provide your email. Now we just click on begin. So data start to import. It's complete. It's imported to subscriber. Here you can see. Now click on finish. So here you can see. Now it's three records. I'll just quickly verify whatever data we are imported is correct. Yeah, we imported two record, new record, Himanshu at the BodenAx and Ritik at the BodenAx. The name will be updated correctly and the date of birth as well. So yeah, that's all about this video. We just learned how we can import bulk record in list. So if you want to remove any record, just click on that particular record and just simply click on that delete button. So it will remove the record from the list, not from the database. In later video, we can discuss about all subscriber lists, groups, and much more. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.